Hello everyone. Today, we're sharing a successful case from Canada. The customer is a company storing hardware products and steel. They wanted to improve efficiency by optimizing their storage system. OKE Storage designed a customized cantilever racking solution tailored to their needs, significantly enhancing their warehouse space utilization. During our communication with the customer, we learned their requirements were very specific. The cantilever racks needed to support 1,200 kilograms per arm, with a base and arm length of 2.75 feet, a total rack length of 100 feet, a height of 16 feet, and a 9-tier structure. To meet these demanding needs, the OKE team conducted professional analysis and design optimization, from warehouse layout to rack load performance, ensuring the solution perfectly matched the customer's operational habits and storage needs. During the design process, we provided the customer with detailed drawings highlighting key rack details. We marked the load-bearing areas and design parameters for each level, helping the customer quickly confirm the design and eliminating any potential concerns. The OKE sales team maintained efficient communication with the customer throughout, making quick adjustments based on their feedback to deliver a storage system that is both efficient and safe. Our professional project team followed the process from start to finish, providing real-time updates so the customer could stay informed about every stage of the project. During production, OKE strictly followed a 5-step quality inspection process. From selecting raw materials to final product checks, we ensured every detail met the highest standards. We measured the dimensions of semi-finished parts to ensure precision, conducted load-bearing tests, and verified assembly to guarantee the rack's stability and safety in actual use. Once production was completed, we took detailed photos of the finished products to showcase the overall rack design. These were shared with the customer for final confirmation. After the racks were produced, OKE created a detailed loading plan to arrange the goods efficiently based on their weight and size, ensuring every item was fully protected. During the loading process, we documented and photographed every step, clearly marking the position and securing method for each item. A complete loading report was provided to the customer. We also double-checked the shipping list and seal number to ensure every item was accurate and accounted for. From initial communication to final delivery, the OKE team's professional and meticulous service earned the customer's trust and recognition. OKE Storage not only provides high-quality products but also pays attention to every delivery detail, ensuring your goods arrive efficiently and safely every time. If you need an efficient storage solution, feel free to contact us. OKE Storage, the choice for quality, the expert in customization.